Hello, today we will guide you through how to verify your Instagram account on Whop. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is where you'll start the verification process. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This will open the account menu where you can access your personal settings and connected platforms. From that menu, click on Settings. In the Settings area, you'll see different sections related to your account. Look for the option labeled Connected Account and select it. This is where Whop lets you link external accounts, including social platforms, so they can be verified and associated with your profile. Next, click on Instagram. This opens the area specifically for adding and verifying your Instagram account. At this stage, Whop will ask you to provide your Instagram profile link. Go to your Instagram profile, copy the link to your account, then come back to Whop and paste that link into the provided field. Make sure you're copying the direct profile URL so the system can identify the correct account. After pasting the Instagram link, click Add. This tells Whop to register the account connection and prepares the verification step. Once the account has been added, you'll be shown a code. Copy this code carefully. It's important to copy it exactly as displayed, since this code is what Whop uses to confirm that the Instagram account belongs to you. With the code copied, the final step is to click Verify. This starts the verification check and confirms the link between your Whop profile and your Instagram account. If everything has been entered correctly, your Instagram account should now be successfully verified on Whop. As a quick tip, if verification doesn't go through right away, double check that the Instagram link was pasted correctly and that the code was copied without any missing characters or extra spaces. It also helps to make sure you're signed into the correct Whop account before starting, so the verified Instagram profile is connected to the right place. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can connect and verify your Instagram account on Whop quickly and smoothly.